Hello children, welcome to online classes from Mount Brescia School. Today I am going to take English literature of class 2. So start student. So student, last class what I had taught you? The first poem, The Swing, in which what I had taught? First para. I have given you the homework. I hope so you all have done the homework. Right, we'll proceed on to the next para. Next para I am reading. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see, so white, rivers and trees, and cattle and all, over the countryside. So student, the next para is whatever when we sit in the swing, we go up in the air and over the wall. When we go up, we can see more far away, right? If you go more high, suppose you are standing in the ground floor. How much you can see? And you go upstairs and two on the roof, then what you say? More you can able to see, right? So this one will say up in the air and over the wall. More we can see when we go up and down. When we go up in a swing, we can see more. Till I can see so wide, the length increases, right? Rivers and trees and cattle and all. This can when happen? When we go very high in swing. On sitting on the swing, when someone pushes us and we go very high, we are able to see the things which are far away. Right, student? Over the countryside. This is a poem written by whom? R.L. Stevenson. It doesn't mean we can see the borders. It only writing. Okay, it's a poem written by a poet. Countryside means the side walls, given the walls, or if there is a rivers, cattle, forest, slightly far away from the swing, we can able to see when we go very much high, right? Very high, when we go very high, then able to see. Doesn't mean that we can see the border. We sit in Dhanbad and in a swing, if you go high, you can see Delhi. It is not possible. Right? We can see slides which are nearer to us as we are in Birsa Munda Park. To what we able to see? The forest we able to see. Right? The bushes there we able to see. Understood, student? This is the poem. Again I am up in the air and over the wall. When we go up in the air, when we swing in the air and we lift ourselves, go up, we can see over the wall. What we can see? Our size, seeing capacity, length increases. We can see more, right? The second para is saying only that one. Okay, student? Now, your homework is to learn the second para. What is, student? Learn the second para. This is your homework for today. First para, already I have given you homework. This is your second para. You have to learn the second para of the poem, in the first poem name The Swing. Okay, student, name The Swing. The second para, today your homework is second para. Name of the poem is The Swing, written by the poet. Name, say student, try to say. Yes student, R.L. Stevenson, right? One more thing you have to do today. You have to underline the spelling in this chapter, in this poem. Okay, so start. Underline blue. Underline, student, blue, B-L-U-E. Second line, last word, blue. Now go, think. Third line, think, T-H-I-N-K, think. Done, student? In third line, two more words there. Pleasantest think. This is think, to thinking. And this is think, something like table, chair. And pleasantest thing means what? What means this? सबसे अच्छा लगना, right? Pleasantest, one word, other thing. Next see. In fourth line it will be child. CHILD. Fifth line this is nothing. Sixth line you see wide. WIDE. Okay student. Third line, seventh line reverse. Reverse. It is in second para. Reverse. Cattle. Second para, third line. Cattle. Second para, last line. Countryside. Countryside. Okay student. Now you see. Third para, first line. Down. Fourth para, first line. Garden green. Fourth para, second line. Roof brown. Roof brown. Fourth para, third line. Flying again. Up to this only. Up to again. Flying again. Today your homework is what? To learn what? To learn the second para and learn the spelling also. The spelling teacher will come and take. Till then, wait for my next video. Stay home, stay safe.